So here is the circuit for the mini car. So over here are the two motors which drive the vehicle. Another key part here, this is a voltage regulator, LM317. As you can see, it takes input from voltage through this diode, and then it will, based on the resistance on these two pins, output a voltage on this pin that is then connected to the motors. And as you turn a variable resistor, it could be any amount, it will change the speed of each motor. These motors are controlled over here by a MOSFET. So a MOSFET is a transistor that can handle high levels of current and voltage. So the voltage is running through the MOSFET, and the gate pin of the MOSFET is connected directly to the Arduino over here, because an Arduino cannot create enough current to drive these two motors. So an external power source is used, and the Arduino is used to control it through the MOSFET transistor. This button here, when it is clicked, sends a signal to the Arduino here, and the Arduino will then take that signal and send a high signal to the MOSFET, which allows for the voltage to throw through the MOSFET and into ground. So here's the finalized version here with the little perma-proto version. So pop out, this motor has a little slot here, you can put it in and out. It just stays in there with friction, so that's the motor there. The motors are connected through here. This is the LM317, a voltage regulator. You turn this, the speed of the motor changes. Here's the Arduino, and on the bottom side is the MOSFET. The MOSFET is connected up here to all of these resistors and diodes. This diode here, it stops any back current created by the back EMF current or voltage created by this motor, which could fry your parts. So the diode just stops any voltage flowing backwards into the circuit and ruining your whole thing. As you can see, you can press this button, it will send the signal to the Arduino here, and that Arduino directly sends it to the MOSFET, and this MOSFET will run this motor for a selected period amount of time. So here's the case. So this case has two sections for a motor to run through, a hole back here to run the back wheels, and in here you can put a PCB. Here's the PCB version. The PCB doesn't work, sadly, but it goes in there. And in the back here, there is a section for a battery, so the car can run and look smooth. You can put this right on here, and it just sticks in there. And then, and then the car can run. The button pops out here. Click that, and yeah, that is how the car works. Go deep in the PCB here. It's basically the same thing as the perma-proto, but you got two terminal blocks here to run the motors out of. Click the button, and yeah, that is the ACES mini car. Thank you.